Yeah.
Fuck you, man.
Why? What's
I
wrong?
hope you will die soon.
Why? But why?
Because you are a moron.
Because I killed you?
You are fucking moron.
But
Shut
I.
the fuck up, moron. Shut the fuck up, moron. Fuck you.
Oh,
Fuck
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry,
you,
boss.
fucking bitch. Suck my nuts. Suck my dick. Suck my dick, you fucking bitch. Suck my dick.
Are you
Suck my
done?
dick.
Can I play now?
Yes, I'm done. No, suck my dick. Suck my dick.
Are you done now? Still
Suck
here. Okay.
Suck my dick.
You're gonna get me killed, man.
Suck my dick. You are dead, anyway. Dead moron. Fucking bitch.
Are you done now?
No, I'm not down. You are moron. Hey, you are a moron, bitch. Hey, you are a moron. Fuck you.
The spitting.
Moron, stupid moron. You are fucking moron, bitch moron. You are fucking moron. I hope you will die now. I hope you will die now, you fucking bitch. Yeah, you are dead. You are dead.
No, I killed him. He's dead now.
Who killed who?
I killed you.
You are dead. No.
No. You guys, you got him all mixed up.
I am sad because I'm alone. Everybody's dead around me.
Yep. This is what happens when you kill people.
I shouldn't kill people anymore.
What the hell was that, man? That's why you play PUBG? I couldn't hear anything, dude. I'm pretty sure I could hear that. But I was supposed to hear that, but I couldn't because I left the voice chat up. Oh, man. Turkish? He's Turkish? Didn't sound Turkish to me.